Hello guys, before we get into this video, let me warn you, yes, there is blood warnings. So if you don't like blood, just pause the video and skip on. But there will be loads of fake blood. I'm just going to call it ketchup for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to my an improved YouTube channel that I've not ever been on for a while, but sorry, but I am back. But so we're playing a game. Alright, this guy gets squirted out ketchup. What does that do? Wait, the water. No. The water. So hold on, if I blow up that can, did that go through his? Hold up. Wait. What? There's so many of them down here. But guys, if you enjoy this video and think it's pretty cool, if you want more episodes, give more views, because I am new to this, and I basically don't think I might get a lot of views one day. That just took down one person. Oh, that room was destroyed. The room's falling from above to there. Oh my god. Yay! So we completed the mission now. How much money do I have enough to buy a new gun? I don't think I can. But guys, let's hit up the gun shop. You know, I am gonna make this a video that will last for a while. If you enjoy these mini games, one day I might even record GTA Online. Never know. If you give me enough views, I can probably make a GTA Online and opposingly make my own and try and make my own military. One day I made my own military army. And guys, what if you ask in the comments for a face reveal? I'm only doing that until actually if anyone asks, there will be a face reveal. Not soon, but also Happy New Year's. The replication of this is just Happy New Year. The explaining of this video is just a Happy New Year's. I wish I could play Roblox for Happy New Year's special, because I'm pretty sure last year I did a Christmas special. A Halloween, actually, on a different YouTube channel. Yeah, also I can't use that YouTube channel though. Alright, we're ready for the next round. Alright guys, it's time for the boss level. Not the boss level, but it says on that some kind of death screen. So I don't know. Alright, so now we're going to go. Now we're going to the death level. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. I just don't know. Alright guys, let's go to war. hard level. Oh, nothing is hard this time. Nothing is hard for me, boys. Now we'll see if there's any people. Splash that. I hope that will kill him. No. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, man. Oh, that guy was just trying to get some water from there, and look what happened to him. He messed with a mastermind. Oh no, that's what they must have called it though. Don't. I just got that guy. Kinda laggy. Oh, don't look at the blood. Don't. Well guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I will see you later.